In this lesson, we'll create a sub that will rename all of the worksheets based on predefined values. We are looking to affect the sheet name of all the sheets within a workbook. This means that we will be looping through all of the sheets within the workbook that the module is located in, and then assigning the sheet name based on predefined values. Having predefined values means that we should use an array. We can iterate through each index and apply this sheet name to each sheet. Conceptually, what we are looking to do are a couple of things. First, loop through each sheet in the workbook. And second, apply the name within our array to the sheet name. The example code does what our concept above laid out. The most interesting area to note is where we are subtracting the ARR names index by 1. Remember that indexes are normally started at 0, and because we are using the count function with the active workbook and worksheets, this will start at 1. The numbers need to sync up in order for our loop and indexing naming method to work out properly. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.